Don't mind this part, okay, guys? I just gotta get this flippin' thing out of here. It's so pretty! Yep, that worm is around. Around town. Yes, I want to head back. Sorry, this is not part of the video yet. I just clicked on accident. It's not good. I get 100 things of plan. Lots of times. Monster eat crystals, so wizard go collect lots of crystals. Lower monster defeat and get crystal. Off go hero wizard. Yeah. I'm gonna go to my... Here's... What the heck? I'll be right back. In Prodigy. But don't mind my face in the wing, because I just don't want you to see it. That's why I got all the way over here, so you cannot see anything. Wait, whoa! Oh no, it's upside down. Hi. Okay, fine, you can see it. I believe in you. I like big boys, Mississippi boys, the pretty boys, and the pretty boys, and the big guys, and the bow tie. Get your nails done, let them bow tie. And that's all I know of that song. Don't mind the name. Okay, I like big boys, Mississippi boys, and the pretty boys. I hope I got that right. Yeah. My phone is as hot as food I get out of the microwave. Yeah, I'm definitely, bruh. It's all the way up, but I can't hear anything, bruh. Like, what the heck? Skip. I will go to Prodigy. Where's Prodigy at? Prodigy! Prodigy. I got Prodigy. I like... Wait, I got a point. I like big boys, big boys, and the pretty boys, and the pretty boys, and the nail gun, and the water, the. This is still not in the darn video yet. It's not supposed to be. Okay, gotta turn quick. Ah, my phone is as hot as lava. I feel like it's gonna explode on me. Hot. My house is not pretty. I wish I can pause. Can I pause it? Okay, I gotta go fast. I mean fast, really fast. Okay, move these darn freaking thingies. Oof. Just gotta get it close. Oh, sorry. Hot as a potato. Okay, so I get that bed. Come on, give me that bed. Can I have the bed? Hurry before my freaking phone turns into fire. Can I have something? Did my screen freeze? Why can I only move these? What the heck? Why can I not have one? I guess this is all I can have. I want to change my character real fast. Change style. I don't like that face she's giving me. It's not the faces. I don't know. I don't want lively. That's disgusting. Seriously. Yeah, I like that. I gotta change my hair color. Light blonde. Ooh, that's so pretty, but no. Dark blonde. Ooh, that's good, but no. No. That's a pretty blue, but no. That's orange. Sorry if you can't see anything. I'm just trying to looking at the seaweed green. That's a pretty color. It's a pretty color too. Jet black. My hairstyle is not a blackish hairstyle color, but I am going to change it anyways. Oh my god, my phone's as hot as lava. Side slip. No, I don't like it. Spring. Fall. I like fall, but you gotta look through the others. Winter. Uplift. Blossom. No. Sunshine. You are my sunshine, my sunshine. You make me happy, the shades of gray. You never notice me, but I still love you. They don't take my... Oh, I'm in the boys' hairstyle. Don't take my sunshine. Row. Yeah. The row. Sweetheart. No. I think I like fall or blossom or uplift. I don't know. I think it was fall. Yeah, I think I like fall the best. Okay, I gotta change my character stuff. Hat. What, boo-boo? This is my boo-boo. Oh my god, my hair's so hot. Oh, hot. I think this video is not going to be a part 2. I think it's going to be me just dressing up. Let me just show you my character. Because I don't think my phone will take it because it's really hot. Like, it needs to cool down. It needs to be in a freezer. That's how hot it is. It feels like it's a volcano. Sorry, I gotta stop talking. Oh, what are you doing? What a weird cat I have. Dragon helmet. Can I have a chicken helmet? Where's my chicken? Chicken hood. Seriously. Hey, get down. My phone can't handle it. Get down. Get down, no. No! Get off! Get off! Get off! Get your butt down! Get off of me! Get off! Sorry. Sorry. Ooh. Yeah, animal! Stupid cat. Look what he did to me! What do I do? Get off! Stupid. How the heck do you get out of this? Get out. Can I get out of this? Can I go into Prodigy? What is this? What is this? I don't want this. I don't like this. Can I not have this? What is wrong with you, cat? What the heck? Can you go back to my super Prodigy? What the heck? You stupid cat. What did she do to me? What did you do? You stupid. You're very stupid. What the heck? I guess I'm gonna make another video real quick before my phone blows up. I gotta see you guys in a minute on my next video. Bye, quick.